Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's keep this tutorial short and to the point, just how I like it. This is going to work if you have similar tiles set up as you can see in this video, meaning you have separate tiles for floor, walls and so on. They are aligned nicely to each other and their size is the same, or you will have to modify the script. The first thing we need to do is write execute in edit mode, so it works in edit mode. Then we have to calculate the steps our tiles shall move in the scene. I called it the height and width. In my case it is 0.64 and 1.28 because my tiles are 256 by 128 pixels. In Unity 100 pixels is equal to 1 meter. So in order to be able to place walls and columns, for example, in the center of the floor tile, I divided that size by 200. And then we use this groundbreaking formula where we firstly divide our position by the horizontal step, round it, then multiply it back, so it snaps nicely to the point we want. And do the same thing with the vertical steps. It would be nice if we could just put the tile prefab into the scene and its sorting order would be set up automatically. Then create an enum of all tile types you have. Use the method I've described in my previous tutorial on how to sort sprites. Check which tiles are placed in the northern half of the floor tile. This is important because your northern and southern tiles will be placed in the exact same position. So in order to differentiate them, we need to set their type manually. Then we simply subtract 1 from the sorting order. That's that simple. And if it is floor, I want it to always be below other tiles, so I did it that way. I'm pretty tired right now, as you can hear, so I won't explain how we did this last feature, but I will put scripts in the video description. Imagine if you want to apply different styles to the tiles you placed. For example, you have stone and wooden buildings. With this system you will be able to change them without having to redo the whole map. Simply press the button and now all your potential buildings become wooden on stone, something like that. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments, I will gladly reply to them. If you are watching this video, you are probably an indie game developer as I am. I create a video every week where I show my process of achieving a dream basically. To be able to earn a living by doing what I love, that is making games. When almost no one else believes in me except for myself. And I'm going to work my ass off to make this dream a reality. And by the way, this was my task for the job I tried to apply last week. I passed it, but after a personal interview they didn't hire me. I think that's because I told them that I have my own projects and also they understood that I don't really want to work there. All I needed is to pass my student internship. To be honest, I'm glad that they didn't hire me, because I spent 10 minutes in the office seeing these gloomy faces and imagined how it would feel like to sit there for 9 hours. I was happy on the way home. But enough rambling. If you are interested in the video, then click on the annotation on the screen. I really tried to make it better than my previous vids. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.